I'm gonna make it cute. You need a haircut.
I know.
Okay, now keep an open mind. Okay. Ta-da! Wow, that's cute.
What's this?
It's like the tousled bedhead look. You're gonna put a hat on. Good morning! Cut. We're waiting for Daddy, who went in to mail something. So we're sitting in the car, hanging out. We're in this car because the van keeps breaking. So, and Chris has the day off today, and it's a beautiful sunny day, and we are hopefully going to have lots of outside time today. That is the plan. He's coming. Should we check Daddy when he comes in?
Like why?
Tell him you peed your pants. See what he says?
No.
He's serious.
Daddy, guess what?
Don't know what.
Mia just peed in her pants. No!
Sorry, what?
Mia just peed in her pants. It's a joke.
Yeah, you did?
It was a joke.
That's gross.
Welcome back. Alright, going out. Take 2. After we went to the mailbox, or the post office last time, we ended up just coming home and eating lunch and making lunch for the kids. So now we're gonna go and actually do something this time. For some reason these geese are like really aggressive. Stay away, I'm protecting my young. Okay, and the chipmunks are very aggressive too. I don't have food for you.
Family walk time. In the forests of many animals.
It's like the Disney forest. I'm gonna go like this and like have chickadees on my hand.
You probably. We brought seeds. Probably.
We should have. We have bird seeds too.
Wow, this chipmunk's really lovely. Hello, guys.
Raccoon.
No, Daddy. That's how chubby he is.
They're just used to people here, I guess.
Yeah, that's what we eat on Thanksgiving.
Oh, can you get it off? Is a bug on me? Did you get it? Thank you. Cute little family I have.
Did it?
Canadian, eh? We had a really good hike on the Chickadee Trail, and then I had like an idea to do something. So I ran into the thrift store and I picked up this like oval wicker basket, and I'm gonna spray paint it. And maybe put it on our table and put like a plant in it and like just make it like a little summery table decoration. So Daddy, or Chris, just went in to get some spray paint for that. So I'm hopefully gonna do a little project when we get home. I like doing projects. Woof, 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 woof.
Thanks for dinner, hon. I'd show you my dinner, but I ate it all.
It's in your belly.
It was so good. So a little bit of leftovers for tomorrow for lunch. So the plan tonight is to go to the park, because Joel's been asking all day.
All day, every day.
Let's go to the park. Holy tractor.
Oh!
We live in the farm.
All the people in our small group that think we live in the country, we do. Somebody's excited. We don't usually put our dog in the trunk, but we're in the small car right now. Go, Ruby.
Go, go.
Go get the kids. She looks so...
Go, go.
Whoa, there she goes. Don't get eaten by a wolf. Or get burrs all over yourself. Ruby! Good girl.
Looking for a place to pick up. Too big.
I just noticed he looks really long and gangly.
Hi.
Well, the night is done and we're going home. And we're going to put the kids to bed and edit the vlog.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Who are you eating pancakes with this morning, Mimi?
Pancake cake.
Pancake cake. And your little shoppy girls? Yeah. It's safe to say that Mia loves her birthday gifts, right, Mimi?
Arthur's over.
Arthur's over.
I want him
Come eat your breakfast.
I want him to look at
You did?
it.
Thanks for pancakes, Daddy.